What?
I was just gonna say, I'm still like kind of blown away. Like I had no idea that coffee was fruit. Did you?
No.
Oh, I'm like blown away by that.
Coffee flour. Who knew?
Who knew? That's insane.
I know.
Also because I didn't know that coffee was a fruit. We just discovered this.
We both just discovered this. Okay, so coffee is a fruit, and billions of it would go to waste. So what they started doing, instead of just leaving it there and letting it rot, they started grinding it into flour, coffee flour.
Brilliant.
And it is very productive, sustainable, making coffee more sustainable. Yeah, because it also
utilized coffee.
It created more jobs. They had to make coffee mills, and you have the grinders.
Oh my gosh.
It's good all around.
Right.
The texture is very fine, kind of
like a baking powder.
like baking powder.
Yes.
That's perfect. Very high in fiber, very high in antioxidants.
Yes.
It has potassium. It has iron. You just can't ask for much more.
It sounds like a
flour.
superfood, as far as I'm concerned.
Now, the only thing, you have to use it with another flour, and the ratio is probably 3-to-1. So for every 3 cups of almond flour, you have 1 cup of coffee flour.
Which makes sense.
Yeah.
Especially when you see the texture, it makes more sense.
Yeah, and plus it's got a strong taste. It doesn't taste like coffee.
No, it doesn't. Not at all.
It's got a very silky, fruity,
Yes.
chocolatey feel.
Velvety.
So what we did, we took a very non-keto zucchini bread recipe, and we made zucchini bread, coffee bread.
Yes. To die for, you
so
guys.
we're going to call it zucchini bread, coffee, chocolate
Chocolatey.
bread.
Yeah.
So after the video, be sure to stick around because we have some baking tips for you.
Some nutritional info, and the most fun part for us, the taste test.
I thought you were going to say the bloopers.
And that.
So both. But right now we're going to show you how to make it.
Yes. So you guys, I woke up to this note from Christy saying, "Taste me, I'm freaking awesome." And
they were gone last night, so this is when I got this recipe just perfect. I was working on it.
yes, and tell them about zucchini and why we love it so much.
So this is zucchini bread. There's a cup and a half of zucchini in here.
Yes.
Zucchini has fiber. It also has potassium. It has magnesium. But what surprised me, it has 40% of your vitamin A for the day.
Oh my gosh.
So zucchini is a good thing.
Yes.
So this is our favorite part every time.
Yes.
And it's okay because I've already had 3 pieces of this.
It's addicting, you guys.
Yeah.
I mean,
and
it's...
every time it's surprising just because of, like you said earlier, it's the texture.
Yes.
It is like real bread. It's not flaky. It's not crumbly. It doesn't have that dry almond flavor. It tastes like chocolate cake.
100%. It's velvety. It's rich. And
it's very rich.
And like you said, it's sweet but not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's just, I mean, I think that zucchini gives it so much moisture. I can't even imagine if this bread would dry out. I know, it's to die for.
If you like our recipes, like, subscribe, share our recipes. Yep. Also, some exciting news. Our website is up.
Yes.
Go to ketointhecountry.com, and there's our recipes. You can print them off. That's where you'll find this one. We'll put a link down at the bottom.
You'll also find the same products that we like to use, especially we keep our favorite ones on our Amazon Associates account, so come support us there. We have blogs, so many new things, you guys.
Go check out our website. We are so proud.
Yes, and
a lot of things happening.
Yes.
We're so excited, and we're happy you're with us. We love our subscribers.
Yes, make sure to leave comments if you guys have any tips, or if you try this out. We would love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for joining us today.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye. It won't.
Let's try it again.
Yeah, because it won't rise
if
they're cold. Or it will, but... What? No.
Something's up.
Something's happening.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like thinking, okay, she's going to come in with a tidbit. I just know it. And then,